Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Come and enjoy this vacation spot on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake. We call this one the Treetop Cabin because it's nestled in the woods with million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake. We hope you come and enjoy your stay and see everything the Finger Lakes region has to offer. Let's go inside. You are going to love the views and architecture from this great room. Enjoy your time here with this living area. You have a traditional rustic stone fireplace with stones that are typically taken from the lake, a gorgeous two-story cathedral living room with the wall of windows with double sliding glass doors to the wraparound deck. And you'll notice throughout you have the lovely traditional hardwood floors, leading to a huge dining area that can seat up to 8 to 10 people extremely comfortable. And we have stuff for younger kids as well too, regarding high seats, high chairs, and even play yards. So this place is fully complimentary for any friends or family. Coming back to the kitchen here, we have a gorgeous white and bright kitchen, nice little breakfast bar, perfect spot for enjoying coffee. The kitchen is fully loaded, air fryer, toaster, blender, anything you could possibly need, it's here to have a great time. Now, walking over, we do have an adjacent full bathroom here, beautiful pine walls, and that leads to the bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom, queen-size bed, 2 dressers for all your stuff, and a closet. Great for anyone that has trouble with stairs. This is a lovely first floor bedroom. Coming around to my favorite spot, let's go up to the loft. We come up to the loft, we have a nice single bed here, queen size bed. Then we have another full bathroom. So there's 2 full bathrooms in this property, 2 queen beds here, and a single. Plus you have the lovely cathedral ceiling and the scenic lake views and overlook of the great room. Heading back down, this place is fully connected with Roku's for TV, high-speed internet, so you have all those modern amenities, yet the really rustic, nice feel of being in a cabin on Canandaigua Lake. Now let's take a look downstairs where there's even more. Now you can enjoy the lower level bonus room. It's got a gaming table and this place is loaded with tons of games available for your pleasure, plus 5 single beds and a pull-out queen. My favorite part, you got another wall of windows leading to the lower deck. Additional amenities are central air conditioning and laundry. Now let's see one of my favorite parts of this Treetop cabin, the wraparound deck. This deck has everything you can need to have a great time. It's got a lovely dining area, all the seating you need for all your friends and family, with an absolutely phenomenal view of the lake. And you'll see the lower deck is covered, which is great for additional shade, and it's the same size as the upper deck, which is absolutely incredible for entertaining and having all your friends and family here. Now, let's take the stroll to the beach. It's a beautiful stroll through the woods. That's kind of my favorite part, is you get a really great nature feel here. And everything's done. There's a rope to grab if you need a little assistance. And then this, who doesn't love walking over a little gorge on a bridge? I mean, come on, this is gorgeous. You got water trickling, and that's a beautiful backdrop to listen to when you're on the deck. So here, you do have a stone path down to the beach. It's a beautiful walk down, and you get to enjoy the views of the lake the whole time. But the best part, it allows for total privacy. It's kind of that great getaway where you can sit back, relax, and really enjoy some peace and quiet in nature. And it's right here. Well, all the way down to the water, you can see the Stone Shale Beach. I'm almost ready for a swim. And this property has over 100 feet of water frontage for exceptional privacy. And then here, when you come out, you have another additional deck here, a dock going out, And then your backdrop is actually Bear Hill, which is a very focal point on Canandaigua Lake. And then you do have whaleback as well too. So as you can see, the backdrop here and the views are absolutely phenomenal. And then if you do really want to amp up the day, rent a boat or bring your boat and put it right on the buoy. Listening to the water is so relaxing. Could you imagine enjoying a week here in this private nature setting, sitting back relaxing? I can. Or you could really hit the Finger Lakes region up with all the wineries, breweries, and activities with concerts. Plus, enjoy gorgeous Canandaigua Lake with all the activities you could ever want on the water, from skiing, wakeboarding, and of course tubing. Let us know if you have any questions about this remarkable place. We'd love to have you come and stay and see the beautiful area or enjoy a nice, peaceful, quiet time. If you have anything else you need, please feel free to let us know. We look forward to having you.